something fast looks like, Kudis. That's what a fast bike looks like, man.
Bike.
Take notes.
That's what a fast bike like.
Oh, what?
That's what a fast bike looks
Oh,
like.
man, you a Beamer boy now?
I'm a Beamer boy now.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the new one.
Yeah, it's a new joint.
Oh, snap. I didn't even realize that.
Look at the front end.
Wow, that looks good. You know, that looks really good. It looks even better in person.
Don't it?
You know, definitely, yeah, even better in person, man.
I actually sat on it. Don't tell E.
Oh,
I
snap.
didn't sit on it easy.
You gonna trade the CBR in?
Uh-oh.
The triple R?
Uh-oh.
Wow. I like the tail. It looks muscular. You know what I'm saying? Like it's different. I like it though. I know a lot of people hate on it, but no, this looks good.
Yeah, it looks real good better than the old model. Easy.
Oh, snap.
Old ass model you got.
Like the carbon fiber on the tail.
Oh, snap. Okay. See, BMW always add the carbon drip in, man.
Look.
Other brands need to take notes. Yep, they got the brake protector
on,
on
Ducati.
there. Yeah, come on now.
Come on, Ducati.
That's crazy. All this comes stock, and this ain't even the M package or anything. Yeah, that front end looks good. Yeah, Aaron, how much is this for sale for?
24.
They don't have carbon fiber wheels, dude.
So when you see that price on BMW website, that's bare bones without the premium package, no heated grips, no cruise control. So they make it seem like that stuff comes standard.
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Standard without all that though, right?
So this is like
It's
a...
hard to get though. Yes. You actually have to have a dealer go in and like build it that way.
Wow.
So there's like a base model
Yeah.
M package. So instead of carbon wheels, you get forged wheels, but they're still M wheels.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. When's the M coming in?
There's that green one over there.
Oh no, I'm talking about the new one,
I
man.
can tell you that.
Man, I love this yellow. Like the camera doesn't pick up. Like it's a darker, brighter yellow than what you guys are seeing on camera right now versus my eye. But yeah, I really love that. It looks good. Y'all comment down below. Are you a fan or you're not a fan? And if you write that, tell me if you've seen it in person or not. Because that's gonna make a difference. I'm telling you. The camera's not picking up the true color of this bike. All the little machine bits and M parts on there with the blue accents to match the livery. Look, and you got all the OEM carbon on here. I do wish they did more of a livery on here, kind of like the older M1 case. Yeah, I mean, you got carbon winglets, carbon front fender, all carbon back here. Yeah, let me know what y'all think.
You know what this for?
Here we go. What? No, what is that for?
For the brake fade. When you're doing a track and you get the brake fade.
Oh, for real? You
Yeah,
can adjust it
stiff
right
up
there?
and make it move on fade as much.
Okay. It's like on the beginner course?
That's Rico.
You go with gloss instead of matte.
Because the mat's just too boring. Because they had it was the matte wheels. Yeah, it had the matte wing.
Clear.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have them cleared. Yeah, just so it pops a little bit.
That's
So
why
I
I'm
feel,
saying like this. It shines so good.
exactly, yeah, it gets the
Shines
matte.
better than rather the plain.
Exactly, yeah. It was just too much plain. I was like, there's nothing that stands out about it, you know what I'm saying? And I know everyone does. I've been seeing on all the Facebook groups, everyone's getting the matte cover, the matte thing back there. I was like, let me do something a little different, man. Y'all know me. So this is only the beginning with all the carbon wings, carbon front fender. Comment down below what y'all think about the Ford down here.
Yes.
Yeah, you gotta put some on it for a slow bike.
Here we go.
You gotta make it beautiful for a slow bike, you know?
Y'all, Curtis, you can be looking at this all week. All week, yeah, right here. Hold on, let me turn it on too.
Let me see.
You can be looking at that all week.
I'm
man.
looking at baby.
Yeah, baby down there. That's all you're gonna see all week long, man. Yeah, I can't wait. But yeah, I think I'm either gonna get these in forged carbon. Yeah, there's damage there. There's a couple more scuffs here. I'm either gonna gloss these or I'm gonna get them in forged carbon from like Rotobox wheels or something. Yeah. The only problem is I bought the warranty on these. They're like $800. All right, so we got the heated grips installed. As you can see there, a little icon pops up. We got 3 different settings. 1, 2, 3. Off. It only works though when the bike is on. We got to get that up map installed on here because I looked under here at the plug and it was the Euro 5 or the Euro 4. But under the seat where the actual diagnostic plug is, it's like Euro 5. Yeah, so it's the red one, not the yellow one. That's on me, so it's running a little lean.
Yeah. But here's your stock filter,
Hey.
wings. There's your bar mirror.
Yeah, oh yeah, I did bring the pieces for that.
Perfect.
All right, cool. All right, now we gotta see the bill. As y'all do, I do have to pay the bills. Y'all think everything's for free? All right, Drew, let me see the damage here, man. What are we talking about?
It did take a while to get those wing nuts to fit properly.
Oh snap!
So.
All right, y'all wait. Let me hide my information. There's none of my information's on here. All right, cool. Thank you. All right, y'all see all this? 600-mile service. What was that? 245.
Yeah, so that's the labor portion.
Okay. So 350. And then to install all the heated grips.
Yeah, heated grips.
Wait, was it? So was wait? Where's the 700? Oh, is that just the labor for everything else?
Yes.
Damn. You guys are enjoying the videos? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll pay some of these bills. Yeah, for real, man. I appreciate anything. Merch should be up very soon. Y'all see the sweatshirts coming in. We're working on something. And then on the back, Kuda's gonna be reading that all weekend.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Yeah. Let's go. All right, so links will be down in the description below. If you are interested and want to support the channel, because like I said, this is just a little taste into what goes in behind the scenes of making all this happen. We don't get stuff for free, so it's part of it, man. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we are in. Tell him, Kevin, where are we? Oh, you trying to run away? Let's say it with your chest, baby.
Miami.
There we go. Y'all see the palm trees, but let me flip y'all around because y'all are here to see the bikes. But y'all see Luna sitting out here, sitting pretty. We also got Rico's Duck with the gold wheels, the full Acura. Here we go. He already chirping, man. He already chirping. We got Randy Reality's beautiful S1K out here with the purple accents. That looks really good. And then we got Tanner's slow Wheelie Hut Jr. R1 out here. Blondie, as you guys have seen on the channel multiple times. Yeah, this thing's looking good. On a serious note, yeah, I like it, man. I like it. We got Kudis's beautiful 650E. People we get mad when I say that in the comments. Like, why do you call it Eve's giveaway bike, man? It's Kudis's bike. We got Kudis's CBR SP out here.
Look, Dirk.
Yeah, but it looks good, man. I actually am really starting to dig these bikes, man. Not gonna lie to you. Especially the new white one that just came out. It looks real good. And then we got Kevin's ZX10r out here, chilling. Y'all think we hate 600s, but we don't. We appreciate anything out on two wheels. And then we got this slow roadkill bike out here, man. I don't even know who this guy is. What is he? Easy Slow Rider out here, I think is what it says. Well, I don't know. You tell me, man.
Easy Rider slow moto.
Out here, man. Oh, that's S1K. Looking right. But seriously, roadkill's looking dope. He got the new Aero. Is this carbon fiber back here? Yes. Yeah, carbon fiber wheel disc. As y'all know, I had that on my Tall 99. What else done? Easy? Anything else new that you can say on camera?
Rotor delete.
Rotor delete?
Front and rear.
Okay. He didn't want to say it.
Weight reduction. I did a little bit of weight reduction. I got 40 pounds off the bike.
There we go. Damn.
And that's all that I will disclose on camera. Under the tank, I did something else, but
oh snap!
All we're gonna say is the 40 pounds weight loss in the aero disc.
All right.
And the booster front fender.
And the booster front fender. About to go get some food real quick, so y'all stay tuned. I can't wait for them to see the reaction to the aero. Actually, I might go ahead and start it up. I want to see the reaction, man. I do want y'all to hear Rico's Acura compared to mine. Hey, can I start this slow thing, Rico?
Yeah, start it up.
It's like a little bit quieter than mine is. It still sounds great, don't get me wrong. The Acura is a phenomenal exhaust. Obviously, it's made by Ducati. But I wanted to do something different. Y'all seen the Acura, y'all seen the Termies a million times on these bikes. Like, there's a 90% chance if you go to a meet and you see Ducati, it's gonna have either Acura or Termi on it. So, like I said, I want to do something different, something y'all haven't seen before. So that's why I decided to go with that exhaust. Yeah, we gonna get all the complaints. Rico, you about to get 1 star.
Do that shit down somewhere else.
It wasn't me.
All the revenue.
No, yeah.
You can do that shit. Get everybody reaction.
Yeah. Yeah, that aero disc looks good, man. I'm excited to see, like I said, what this bike can do. I love this bike. I know a lot of y'all hate on Ducatis, but I really do love this bike. Oh, we got the C8 out here. Blue on blue, with the blue interior. You guys probably couldn't see it, but I could. This bike revs so high. Like, that's not even close to being redlined in first, man. We're in freaking Miami in January. It's 80 degrees out here. I'm sweating my ass off right now. I'm loving it. Couldn't be any happier. Yeah, this thing's not happy. I do want to feel these heated grips. Let's see how warm these bad boys get.
Where's Rico?
I don't know. He got the address though, he said. I was wondering, I guess he didn't call. I don't know. I love the pops, that's dope. Wish I had Rain right now. Rain would love this. She'd eat this up being in the tunnel. Man. He got him. Easy got him on the kill switch, man. Let's go, we're in freaking Miami. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Heck yeah. So hard to finally be here. Yo, this thing revs so high, dude. Holy cow. Like, that's still not even it hitting redline. Yo, I freaking love this bike. There is no other bike like the Ducati, dude. Just the feel and the look. Like, everything about this bike is so exciting. Like, it's like so much emotion when you're on this bike. And that power is unreal. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. I'm about to blur that shit out. Bro, I'm still not even touching redline. Holy cow. Like, bro, that's nuts. Man, I hate that there's so much traffic right now, but it is 3:30 on a Thursday afternoon, so kind of to be expected here. No, what? No way. It just redlined at 14K. Did they not actually? Now I'm irritated. headlining at 14. Dude, you've got to be kidding me. That's pretty cool with the airplane coming in overhead. That is a sick view, man. That is a sick view. And we got the skyline out in front of us. We got the boys on the bikes. I mean, what? It don't get much better than that, man. Woo! Even though I am salty right now. That's so frustrating. That is so frustrating. Like, it's not like it's easy for me to take my bike to the dealership. It's 3 hours away from me. On a side note, these heated grips definitely do get hot. Like really hot. We're gonna turn them off. My hands are cooking right now. Well, that kind of sucks, and then that just ruins this entire video. Oh my gosh, it is always something, man. Always something. I'm trying not to be frustrated, but I am really frustrated. So I really went out of my way to get the bike to the dealer to get this done. On a high note, at least we're in Miami with the boys. The guy was asking for a wheelie. There's just too much going on, like too many intersections in and out in cars and whatnot for us to be doing wheelies right here. Okay, he likes to duck. Yeah. He's loving it. No, they got the money. That's funny. We gonna get in trouble this week. That guy's cheesing over there. Look at him. He's cheesing. Oh, he getting a photo. Yes, sir. He wants to do a wheelie. I know there's probably some expensive cars in there. I can pretty much guarantee you that much, actually. Alright guys, we're gonna go eat some food in here real quick, get some Mexican food. I'll update y'all when we get back. Y'all already know, boy, the fajitas. Had to go with it. Rico, man. Eat his burrito, they'll come right back out later. Just like that, watch. Randy got the fajitas. Kevin got some tacos. What'd you get? Tacos. Okay. Kudos. Cheers. Easy.
You know what it is, baby. Got the burrito.
Let's go. We got Aaron wanting the V4 now. Look at him looking at it, man. You good over here?
Yeah.
Damn, look at this. Is why I get the V4R. Everyone comment right here. 1,500 miles. You gotta do all this. Look at the V4. Nothing. The R. Damn. Oh snap. Hey, he's big money though, so ain't nothing to kudos. Hey, it'll be worth it though.